Hey guys, what's going on? Thought I'd do another update from yesterday's video. So basically yesterday I joined Nate Bear's Profit Surge Trader and I took part in the trades as well. So he released 2 or 3 trades. So here's inside the dashboard of Profit Surge Trader. It has a fantastic track record and can show you some of the other trades in a minute. People have been asking about it. So first of all though, if you want to learn more about the service and who Nate Bear is, he's a guy who turned 37,000 into 2.7 million, basically in about 3 years, and I watched him do some of it at Raging Bull years ago, and I've seen his verified tax returns as well. So it's really cool. He's a really good guy. I really enjoyed the live session yesterday, as I said in the video that I did yesterday, but I thought I'd give you an update on some of the trades, kind of how they're going. This is just day 2, so these are swing trades, or most of them are supposed to be swing trades, but he's already closed 2 of them, which is really cool. So this is the dashboard right here. This is the chat room that we were in yesterday, and up here there's a trades tab, and these come out to an app they have, so you can get an app and have it sent to your phone. You can get the alert sent via push notification and email as well, so it's pretty cool. But they're always available to see when they're posted here. So December 11th was yesterday, so he posted basically the trades that he was taking. So TGT is target, so it's basically a buy to open 12.15 137 call at 123. This is a bonus trade, which he said it would be a short-term trade, which in my head would be like a day trade, or at least like maybe 1 or 2 days max. And sure enough, he closed that earlier today for a 20% gain, and you can see the close tab down here. So this is the opening trade, and then this is the closing trade right here, and he closed that today at 145, and he says let's take the quick 20% here and keep the swing trade in target. Nice hit. So I never took that, and of course that one's a really nice winning trade. He also bought target calls, so he bought the 12.29, so these were shorter dated. These were 12.15, so basically this week. These ones are the end of this month, so there's a lot more time on these to go, but at the moment they're significantly red. So if you aren't in them, or you didn't manage to get in them, there's no real excuse that this took off without you, because this thing has pulled back significantly since this was discussed yesterday. So there's still time to get in this at a lower price than Nate did. So that's a swing trade, this one, buy to open 12.29 137 calls. By the way, I'm not going to be doing this type of video in this detail all the time, because it allows people to replicate the trades. This is just going to be like a one-off where I show you all the details of the trades, just because it's the first day that I'm a member, and it's fine to sort of show people what the deal is. But I'm going to be probably having to be a bit more obscure about what the actual trades are, so as to be fair to the paying members that buy the service. And it's already too late for a couple of these. So the other bonus trade yesterday was CRM, and he bought to open CRM this week at expiration, 257.5 calls at 120, and he closed that today as well. Down here you can see the closing, so it's the green's the open, the red's the closing, and you got 30% on that. So pretty nice start to the service, in my opinion. The swing trades are down, but we have plenty of time left on them, so nobody should really be freaking out about that, and I'll show you more about the target swing trade in a minute as well. But what I decided to do is just look through the previous trades, right? So they all closed pretty quickly, so there's not any open trades apart from that one target trade. So everything that's shown kind of gives you an idea of basically like what is is profit loss essentially. So you can see most of them are winners. So here's a 35% winner on IoT, DDOG 25% winners. These ones were a losing trade, I think, or break even. We were break even in this, but still like the setup is heavy here. So he cut this one loose at 0.8. So we can kind of look and see what Dash was at. So he took quite a hit on Dash. It looks like 148 down to 0.8. So you got to be careful. These are quite big losses when they do happen. So 50% loss. If you're okay with that, with these volatile options, And with high win rate, 50% loss is not the end of the world. D-Dog was 261 when he bought it, closed it for 25% profit. Here's some of the other ones. So he's played D-Dog. So obviously last month was D-Dog was the earnings winner, I'm assuming. Because at the start of every month, there's like, this is the surprise earnings winner, this is the trade we're going to take for the rest of the month. So I'm guessing D-Dog was last month's. 50% winner, 40% winner on SPY puts. He does these extra little bonus trades in there as well, which is nice. Just kind of looking through here. Looks like he wins more often than he loses. Netflix 80%, pretty nice. 5% win. 20% win, 25% win. Yeah, so you can go back through and scroll. Unfortunately, there's nowhere that you can sit down and say, hey, I want to see the whole like portfolio. So if you click on this, I thought this would show it, but it doesn't. It just shows what's currently open, right? So he currently has, in fact, these are actually, this is already closed, so it'll disappear from the portfolio, the CRM. This one is still December 29th. This one's the one I'm in. It's still open. And NTAP is still open as well. So, yeah. So unfortunately, there isn't a full-blown track record, which is a little frustrating. Just how it is, though. Very few of these services actually show that. Here is a quick 4-hour chart of the target TGT. So you can see that my favorite indicator, Algo Pro, I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to try it out, is working really well. We had a buy signal here, and the surprise earnings really took a rally up here with it. So it worked really well on the 4-hour. On the 5-minute, it is also working really well. You can see we had a buy here, kind of off and then up. Sell was kind of flat, but then the buy was a good one. This was yesterday when we bought. And so let's see if we can close this up a little bit. So I think noon yesterday, living my time about here. So we ended up buying, of course, near the top here on target. But it's hopefully just a local top. Like, I think this thing is pulling back. Hopefully this level here holds and that we continue. If you zoom out, you can see it, the bigger picture could easily be another leg up. Especially as you start to go out onto like the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. You can see we still have a very clear uptrend, right? We have a buy signal, and although we're back at the entry here, we still have an uptrend here. So this could take a while. This could take a few days to get back up, or a week or so. So yeah. So I'm not too worried at the moment on it. We'll see. Hopefully it's helpful. I would definitely recommend trying the service out. It's for a year, it's only $279, and I think a lot of places would sell the service for a lot more. I'll leave a link in the description where you can go and buy this for that price, and also check out my review, where I'll also be keeping an up-to-date track record, so you can find my thoughts, like the video today, the video yesterday where I talked about actually doing the trades and things, and I'll also put in like my actual results and things in here as well as time goes on. Hopefully that'll be helpful for people as well. Alright guys, talk to you soon.